In Pakistan, estimated 20.8 million children aged 5 to 16 are out of school. Currently, Pakistan has the world's second highest number of out-of-school children. Some 11 million children, aged 4 to 14, keep the country's factories operating, often working in brutal and squalid conditions. In a world where education is the key to empowerment, millions of children in Pakistan remain out of school. But at Vision 21, we believe that education should be fast, effective, and accessible to all. Vision 21 is a non-profit organization registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. Our mission is to develop human capital by focusing on education for all, poverty alleviation, human rights, and women's empowerment. To address Pakistan's education crisis, Vision 21 launched the Speed Education Program SEP, an accelerated learning model designed to educate non-literate and near non-literate children in the speediest manner, completely free of cost. SEP compresses 10 years of education into just 5.5 years. Speed Literacy Program 3-6 months lays the foundation for reading and writing. Speed Primary Program 18 months covers core primary education. Speed Middle Program 24 months prepares students for secondary education. Speed Matric Program 24 months helps students earn a recognized matriculation certificate. Through SEP, we have educated over 4,620 students, trained 270 community teachers, and provided scholarships for 54 students to pursue higher education. From prison inmates to child laborers, education has no boundaries. That's why SEP offers customized solutions. Speed Literacy for prison inmates 100 for inmates educated. Education for child laborers 2-month literacy programs. Madrasa Science Program 160 to students educated. Adult Literacy Program empowering adults in just 2 months. Beyond academics, SEP provides skill development in areas like computer software, technical training, agriculture, and self-grooming, equipping youth and women for self-sufficiency. Education is the most powerful tool for change. Join us in our mission to educate Pakistan one student at a time. Support Vision 21. Support the Speed Education Program.